Raj Bhavan Goa and Forest Department Goa jointly celebrated Van Mahotsav 2020 on 9 July 2020 at 11:30 am at Aushadhi Vatika, Raj Bhavan, Goa. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival celebrated to promote awareness about importance of planting trees and conserving forest. Honorable Governor of Goa Shri Satyapal Malik graced the occasion and planted Moringa oleifera drumstick tree during the celebration. Drumstick tree is an important medicinal, nutritional tree. The leaves, flowers and fruits are traditionally used in our country in day-to-day cooking. It is rich source of calcium, magnesium and vitamins with properties of antioxidants and improves immunity. Also present were Chief Secretary Shri Parimal Rai, IAS, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Shri Subhash Chandra, IFS, Secretary to Governor Shri Rupesh Kumar Thakur, IAS, along with other officers of Raj Bhavan and Forest Department. Honorable Governor in his speech stressed on the importance of living in harmony with nature, conserving forest and keeping the green corner intact. He further made an appeal to public students to plant more trees and conserve it for future. Altogether, 201 plants including medicinal and fruit-bearing plants were planted during the celebration. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.